The for loop is really useful to take words apart into their individual characters. For example, when we have a word like this, we might want to look at one character at a time. And what we're going to do in our sample program is to count how many vowels this word has. Now, why does anyone care how many vowels a word has? When you know how many vowels there are, that gives you an idea of how complicated the word is. And sometimes you actually have to adjust your writing to be simpler. And then it's good to know that statistic. So how do we do such a thing? We need to find out each of the characters and then look at it more closely. Over here, you see how to look at the ith character. You take the substring that goes from position I up to, but not including, position I plus 1. That is a string containing a single character. And we let I vary from 0 to the last valid index. That would be the length minus 1. Notice that I starts at 0. It is less than the length. That means it goes up to the length minus 1, and it gets incremented by 1 every time. This loop that you see here with this for header and extracting the ith letter, that's what you use every time that you want to break a word into its individual characters. Now on to our specific problem. We want to count vowels. The condition that you see here checks whether the letter is a vowel. It looks a little backwards. We list all of the vowels and we ask whether the letter is any one of those. If we have a vowel, we increment a counter. The rest of the program is simple. We print the result, and also we need to declare a few variables. Let's run the program. We're supposed to type in a word, and we learned that mouse has 3 vowels, which doesn't surprise us. Actually, as the bonus fact of the day, some words have more vowels than you think. Here's the French word for bird, oiseau, and it has 5 vowels out of 6 letters, which is hard to imitate in English.